Stop right there, kitty. That chocolate cupcake smells delicious, but even one little nibble is off limits for you. It's a big mystery. Why can people eat chocolate every day, but it makes our dogs and cats so sick? To keep our furry friends healthy and happy, we have to look at how their bodies work differently than ours. Chocolate starts as a bean. Inside that bean is a secret ingredient called theobromine. That's a big word. Theobromine is a natural chemical that makes chocolate taste rich and yummy for us. While it adds a lot of flavor, it's also the exact reason chocolate is dangerous for pets. Imagine your tummy is like a factory. This diagram shows the human factory in action. When we eat chocolate, our bodies are very fast at breaking down that theobromine. It gets cleared away before it can cause any harm. Because our factories work so quickly, a little chocolate is a safe treat for people. But look at the factory inside a dog or cat. The gears are moving very, very slowly. Because their bodies process things so slowly, those theobromine blocks start to pile up. They can't be cleared away fast enough, and they start to jam the factory. When the factory jams, it makes a pet's heart race and hurts their tummy. Their body is trying to do too much work at once. The danger isn't the chocolate itself, but the fact that a pet's body just isn't built to break that chemical down. This chart shows that different chocolates have different amounts of theobromine. Dark chocolate and baking chocolate have the most hidden ingredients inside. This makes them the most dangerous for a pet to find. Chocolate isn't the only thing that jams the gears. Grapes, raisins, and onions also have chemicals that a pet's slow tummy factory can't process. Knowing which foods cause these jams helps us keep our kitchens safe for our animals. Since dogs have such amazing noses, the best way to help is to store candy and cocoa up high, like in this closed cabinet. If a pet ever accidentally eats chocolate, it's important to tell a grown-up immediately. A grown-up can call the animal doctor, also known as a vet, to help the pet feel better. Sticking to treats made just for animals ensures their tummy factories never have to deal with a jam. Let's see what you learned. What's the chocolate chemical? Theobromine. Which is most dangerous? Dark chocolate. Who do you tell? A grown-up. Just remember, pet bodies are special, and they need our help to stay away from things they can't digest. You can help right now by checking with an adult to make sure your chocolate is tucked away in a high, safe spot. Taking that one small step makes you a real pet safety hero. Subscribe for more adventures at the lab, and we'll see you next time.